It's so hot. Typically, I take an opportunity like this to compare the hotness of the weather to the hotness of these banging top offers, but all I can really think about to keep my brain from melting out of my body is cold, cool, wet, refreshing, non-sweat inducing things. So that's what this month's theme is gonna be. Grab a cold one, find one of those fans that also miss and plug in that air conditioner, folks, and tackle that water pump. We're tackling the top coolest Nutra offers of August 2025. And at number 5, we got Prodentum. If this is your first time hearing about Prodentum, I gotta ask you, what rock are you living under? Because I bet it's nice and cool under there. Maybe there's room for your favorite top offers host? Maybe. In all seriousness, Prodentum is probably a household name at this point. It's an evergreen ClickBank top offer that rarely doesn't make the top offers list. This oral and dental health supporting candy contains over 3 billion live cultures that support the good bacteria that keeps the mouth healthy. There are a couple reasons this supplement maintains its evergreen status, however. One is an excellent product that is clearly a favorite amongst buyers. And number 2, the affiliate tools just make promoting this offer really easy. So check out the affiliate tools page to see what I mean, and then grab your link, start promoting in the ClickBank marketplace. Now let's take a look at those numbers, shall we? And we got an EPC of $1.29, an average payout value of $139.26, and a hot conversion rate of 0.92%. I mean, it's just great. And guess what? Everybody has teeth, and they gotta keep them teeth cool. So go, promote it. And at number 4, we have All Day Slimming Tea. All day, just like the hot. This offer is not a stranger to the top offers list. In fact, we've seen it on a few of the recent segments. All Day Slimming Tea is a blend of tea and herbs, all containing weight loss properties that work in sync to help folks slim down, have more energy, sleep better. Can't really beat that. And plus, you can enjoy this hot tea cold, which obviously, considering the theme, is the better option here. So with excellent upsells, amazing affiliate tools, and customer reviews that are authentic and engaging, All Day Slimming Tea is an excellent choice of offer to promote for seasoned affiliates and beginners too. So let's get into those numbers to understand what's great about the offer. We got an EPC of $1, an average payout value of $157.90, and a hot conversion rate of 0.63%. Now, be warned on the hot conversion rate. There are a couple different versions of this offer. There's a free plus trial version of it, and then there's the full price upfront offer. That's why the hot conversion rate is a bit wonky on this sucker, but it converts. The top converting affiliates are getting above 1%, and they are seeing EPCs of greater than $1. So go, test it, and you're gonna love it. And that brings us to the halfway point. Spot number 3, it's Cognicare Pro. Cognicare Pro is a memory and brain health supporting supplement that does it all. From increasing blood flow to the brain, to promoting good sleep, to reducing anxiety, this supplement keeps that noggin top notch. They've got upsells, free shipping with multiples, compelling reviews, and an informative fact section. The coolest thing about Cognicare, it's gotta be the affiliate tools. They have everything. From top performing banners to email swipes to demographic information, they make it easy for affiliates to get up and running and promoting their offer. All right, now let's see those numbers from these smarties. We got an EPC of $1.45, an average payout value of $125.92, and a hot conversion rate of 1.15%. Woo! That is a spicy meatball. That is crazy. That's why they sell memory stuff, because man, they're smart, and wow, those are some serious numbers. So go test it. Hey everybody, just wanted to pause real quick and let you know about—
Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, will this guy please just get on with it? Hi, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the ClickBank YouTube channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button. It really helps us out. Now, back to that offers guy.
And that's why the government is lying to you about Roswell. They don't want you to know. Now, let's get back to number 2. T-Bird. It's one of the chillest top offers in the segment ever. Why? Because it's tea. And how can you have your tea? Cold. Yeah, thought of that all by myself in my own brain. So this offer actually is very, very cool and a great one to promote. It's a weight loss supplement that combines a proprietary concoction of various teas that help boost metabolism, burn fat, and restore health. It's easy to mix into a cold or a hot drink. We're opting for cold, you know the vibe here. Tea-Burn is easy to take and easy on the taste buds. And behind Tea-Burn are the geniuses who brought us Java Burn, which is also converting like crazy. So we know this offer has been crafted by skilled experts, and nowhere is that more evident than the exceptional VSL, the engaging landing page. And so let's just take the numbers and let you know what we're about to see. And these numbers come with a warning. What you see are about to be extremely high. We have an EPC of $3.27. We have an average payout value of $149.93 and a hop conversion rate of 2.18%, which is all nuts. Let's explain what's going on here. So the EPC, that's probably high because there's so many people who are rushing to Java Burn and trying to throw that into the stratosphere that there are a few high converting affiliates here. Sorry, high converting affiliates, that I'm kind of spilling the tea about what's really working. The hop conversion rate, seeing the same thing. But that means it is working really well. Are you gonna get those same results? Maybe. Are all of you gonna get that? No. But it is going to stay really high for a lot of folks. So go promote it and test it out. It's killing it. And here we are, to the numero uno, the ice cold, the tippy top of the iceberg, and the deep down bottom. It is Sugar Defender. Sugar Defender is a blood sugar supporting supplement. Say that 3 times fast. Blood sugar supporting supplement. Blood sugar supporting supplement.
Blood sugar supporting supplement.
That contains an all-star blend of top shelf ingredients. It's non-habit forming, no stimulants, and non-GMO. Just good, clean ingredients sourced and combined to help support blood sugar health. Tasty. With multi-bottle upsells, free gifts, and free shipping for multiples, Sugar Defender's clearly a top offer. On top of that, you got to see these affiliate tools, banners, email swipes, promotional info. It's all there, and the team behind it is even better. This is Sugar Defender's second month in spot number 1, so congrats to them for holding on to that title. You got the good stuff. So what kind of numbers does a cool number 1 offer like this have? Well, let's take a look. It's got an EPC of $1.43, an average payout value of $137.10, and a hop conversion rate of 1.04%. It is amazing, and it continues to kill it no matter what month it is. People don't have to be just trying to get in shape for the end of summer or the beginning of fall or for that brand new year. It is great year round because everyone is just trying to watch their health. So, hoping my cold theme cooled you off a little bit, or maybe a bad joke distracted you from the blistering heat. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this top offer segment. Be sure to immerse yourself in a vat of sunscreen before going out because skin cancer is real. And we want to hear from all of you. So stay hydrated. We love you. We appreciate you. Drop what you're doing to survive the heat in the comments, and see you next month. And as always, like and subscribe, because if you press that button, it turns on the AC over here. Please. Turn it on. We're frying. It's so hot in here. It's like 110 degrees. It's only 105 outside. They're making us suffer.